talk about how to stop confusing the terminations ed with ing. Often people would say something in class like, "Teacher, I'm confusing," and I know that's not what they meant to say. What they meant to say was, "I am confused," because maybe the explanation is not clear or they were not paying attention. That's why they are confused. So you're going to use ed when you talk about your feelings and emotions, and you're going to use ing when you refer to something, when you give your opinion about something or someone. For example, if you say "I'm boring," it's because you don't consider yourself a very interesting person. You consider that you don't have a lot to say. But if you say "I'm bored," that means that you want to do something else instead of what you're doing at the moment. Now, if you say, for example, that you are very happy, that's a feeling, that's an emotion, so you're going to say, "I'm excited." But if you give your opinion about a movie or a book, you're going to say, "Oh my God, that movie is exciting." Okay? Now, this is something that people confuse all the time. They say things like, "I'm interested," instead of saying "I'm interested." Now, another rule, if you're going to tell me the subject of what you're interested in, you have to say this: "I'm interested in computers," for example. Interested in. Those are two words, not just one. But if you give me your opinions about cameras or computers or cell phones, you're going to say something like, "Oh, I think computers are interesting," or "cameras are interesting." So remember, ed for your feelings and emotions, ing for your opinion about someone or something. That's the basic rule. And then, of course, this is when you confuse two of them, because there are words that are completely different to the terminations ed and ing. But that's for another video. And if you like this one, please subscribe to my channel and visit our social media. Here it is for you. So have a great time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.